Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 217. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 8, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 6 here, so this is our 4. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. Let's see. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 2, 5, 9. 2 here, so 4, 5, 9. 5 and 9 here, so 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, 8, and 9. We've got the 6 here, so 2, 8, 9. 2 and 8 here, so 6, 9. 8 here, so 2, 6, 9. 8, 6, and 9 here. So this is our 2. And the 8 can't be there or there, so this is our 8. That 2 makes this our 4. So let's do some cleanup here. With that 2, we can get rid of this 2. With that 4, we can get rid of this 4. All right, for this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here and a 5 here, so 2, 9. 7 here, so 2, 5, 9. 2 here, so 5, 7, 9. But if we look now, the only place the 7 can be in that row is here. And that means the only place the 5 can be is here. And now with that 5, we can get rid of this 5. And that means in this row, the only place the 5 can be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 7, 9. 9 here, so 2, 4, 7. For this column, actually, let's do this row. We're missing 1, 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 3, 5. 3 and 5 here, so 1, 4. 5 covering both of these boxes. So 1, 3, 4. 1, 4, and 5 here. Means this is our 3. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. And now with that 3, we can get rid of this 3 and this 3. So that means the only place in this row the 5 can be is here. If we look at this column now, we're missing 2 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so this is our 1, 4. That 4 makes this our 1, 4. For this column now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 3, 3 here, so 2, 9. That means the only place in this column our 3 can be is here. Now if we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 7. We've got 1, 4, and 7 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 7, 4, 1. That 7 makes this our 2, 9, 7. That 9 makes this our 2, 9, 2, 9. And that 2 makes this our 9, 2. And for this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. And for this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.